Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. I'm going to teach a new lesson, lesson 2, physical and chemical change. Student, you know, from morning till night, in our surrounding, many type of change occur. Some change are the permanent change, some are the temporary change, like day and night, blowing of wind, ripening of fruits. Okay, so different change. Some change are the temporary change, some change are the permanent change. So in this chapter we discuss about the different type of change. Some change are the very useful, some change are not useful. Okay, so student, our first point is what is the desirable change. So desirable change that is useful to the human beings is known as the desirable change. So what is the useful? First things like ripening of fruit. You know student, nowadays is the mango season, and in this time we've got a very delicious ripening mango. But you know, 2 months in the month of April is a very sour taste, but nowadays is a very good taste. So it is the useful for the human beings. If on that time on the April you will become not able to eat a single mango, but nowadays you become able to eat 3, 4, 5 mango, and it becomes easily digest. Yes. So ripening of fruit is the desirable change, which is useful for the human beings. Okay. Cooking of food. Before cooking, it is possible to eat raw grains, to eat rice, vegetables. No. But after cooking, it becomes very delicious. It becomes very easily digested in our body. So it is also a desirable change, which is very useful for the human beings. Photosynthesis. You know photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plant make their own food. Yes? Means with the help of sunlight, with the help of oxygen, with the help of carbon dioxide, with the help of water, plant make the food. This is the photosynthesis. So that also very useful because when plant make their food, then plant also provide us. Otherwise plant become die. So it is the desirable change. Pasteurization of milk is also very good. Formation of curd from milk. You know curd? Their taste is the sour taste. Yes or no? So curd, it becomes easily digested in our body. Our stomach easily digests the curd, comparison than milk. If you drink 1 or 2 glass milk, then loose motion becomes start. But if you drink 1 or 2 glass curd, it becomes digested. Okay, means formation of curd also is the very good things, is the desirable change. Change of season. You know, nowadays the rainy season. After 2-3 months is the winter season, there is summer season. It is also very important for our life. In the different season, we grow the different grains. In the winter season, we grow the wheat. In the rainy season, we grow the rice. Yes. So change of season is also very important for our life. So this is the desirable change. So state one conclusion is the change which are useful for the human beings is known as the desirable change. Yes. Second one is the undesirable change. Undesirable change. What is the undesirable change? Means the change which are harmful for the human beings. See? Undesirable change, a change that is harmful to the human beings is known as the undesirable change. Okay? So what is the undesirable change? So first one is the cyclonic storm, earthquake, flood. These are the very harmful for the human beings. Student, cyclone, earthquake, flood. In this process, many person become die, many life become die. Our property damage, our building damage. Means this is the harmful for the human being. So this is the undesirable thing. Spoilage of food. So student, according to one survey, per day about 10 lakh people become sleep without food because they have not food. So student, what is our duty? Student, we have seen that many person, when they make the food, after that they become throw. When the food remain, it become throw in the dustbin. So please don't throw. Keep in the freezer, eat, or give to the needy people. Okay. So student, spoilage of food also is the very dangerous things and harmful for the human beings, because 10 lakh people per day become sleep without food. And if we save such food, do not throw such food on the road, then maybe that people also get the food. Okay, rotting of fruit also is the undesirable change, because after ripening, when it become not used, such fruit, it become root. So they are also very dangerous thing and harmful for the human being. Next one is the curding of milk. So student, these also the undesirable change. Rusting of iron. Student, iron is a very hard metal, but it's a very bad property. One, they are drawback. When it reacts with the moisture and air, it make a brown layer over the iron, and the result, it start the rusting. So it is a very harmful for the human beings, and it lost many things. Okay. Next one is the erosion of soil. Is also very harmful, not good for the human beings, not good for the nature. So students, these are the undesirable change. Okay. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.